Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll explore the high-demand drill bits in the US market, from HSS and cobalt bits to masonry and titanium-coated drill bits used in construction and metalwork. Let's dive in! Polycrystalline Diamond Compact. Tungsten carbide tipped bit. M42 cobalt twist bit. M35 cobalt alloy bit. SDS plus masonry bit. SDS max hammer drill bit. Titanium nitride coated bit. High-speed steel jobber bit. Step drill bit. Black oxide drill bit. Diamond core drill bit. Carbide tipped rebar demon bit. Auger woodworking bit. Self-feed wood bit. Forstner bit. Brad point bit. Spade paddle bit. Installer fish bit. Glass and tile spear point bit. Glass and tile spear point bit. Fixed cutter bit. Roller cone cutter bit. Tricone rock bit. DTH, down the hole hammer bit. Drag bit. Hybrid drill bit. Indexable insert drill bit. Center drill bit. Left hand twist bit. Aircraft extension drill bit.